Section 9.3 is about area of irregular figures. An irregular figure is just a figure that doesn't look like a circle or a square or a triangle. It actually is two shapes combined, and another word for it is a composite figure. Composite figure are simple geometric shapes combined to make a figure. So, we will be finding the area of composite figures or irregular figures, and they are a combination of what we've learned so far. Now, we know that area of a rectangle or a square is length times width. We should have learned that a long time ago. But I am going to draw you a fancy picture to remind you, okay? Now, we also know that area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. Very good. Okay, so what if we have a square that has a half a circle? And it tells us that this line is 12. And by this line, I mean this one. Okay? Now, how do we find the area? Well, we separate the shape into two figures. Now, if this side is 12, then that means this side is 12, this side is 12, and this side is 12. But the area is length times width. So the area would be 144 for this one. Then, we also know that this same side is attached to this side. So we know our diameter of our circle would be 12. So that means our radius would be 6. Very good. So to find the area of the half circle, then we do 3.14 times radius squared. If the radius is 6, then it will be 36. All right? So, and I don't have the, hang on. I need to get my calculator. All right, so if we have radius squared, that's 36 times 3.14, that would give us an area of 113.04 for this entire circle. But it's not an entire circle. It's a half circle. So we need to take half of our total area. And that is 56 and 52/100ths. Now we need to add that with our area of our square, which was 144. Okay? And that gives us a total area of 252/100ths. Now, the only other one that they use, and the figure that I just used is example 1 in section 9.3. All right? Okay, so let's open up a new slide, and we'll move on. Oh, actually, it's example 2. Sorry. Then we'll move on to example 3. Chandra wants to carpet the floor of her closet. A floor plan over the closet is shown. How much carpet does she need? Well, we first, of course, have to draw our shape. It gives us that this is 4, this is 12, this is 3, and this is 5. Okay? The one thing that we have not mentioned is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equals half base times height. Okay? Height is obviously the height of the triangle. Base is just the bottom. Okay? So, when we look at this shape, right here, we can already figure out our area is 4 times 12, which is, which is 48. Then we need to find our area of our triangle. So we're going to do base times height, that's 15, and then times half, which actually means divided by 2. So our area of that triangle is 7.5. Then we just add it to our area of our other triangle, and that'll give us our answer of 55. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. I just totally messed up. Let's back up. Backing up, backing up, backing up. Okay. I did not actually take the entire height. Okay? If this is 3, and I'll highlight it for you. If this is 3, but we also have to do this part as well. And that is equal to the other side. So that is actually 4. So our height is actually 7 times our base of 5 is 35, divided by 2 is 17.5. Then we add that to our area of our rectangle, which we said was 48. We add 17 and 5/10 to it to give us a total of 65 and 5/10. Any questions? Just kidding. You'll have to ask when we get to class tomorrow. Hope that helped you out.